Hello friends, how are you? I'm in my native village Kalyani, which is very near to Bajro and Thalisan. I can say that it is in between the Thalisan and Bajro. From Bajro it is almost 19 kilometer, and from Thalisan it is somewhere 17 or 18 kilometer. So it's just in between these two big places. Bajro is a nearby market, but it's more of a transport center rather than a market. And uh, if we move towards the Pauri highway from Bajro, it is almost 25 kilometers towards Thalisand. Thalisand is our block headquarter where you will find SDM office, you will find Tehsil, you will find the lot of banks and the degree college. Along with it, there is a beautiful small market which caters to the nearby villages and the people who needs their daily routine jobs. Uh, People get their work done from the different government department. We have got uh, block headquarter over there, and almost every day except Sunday there is a hustle and bustle right from 10 a.m. till 6 7. uh, because after 6 or 7 all hill station become slowly deserted as the winters are approaching now, and the temperature goes down to almost 5 or 6 immediately around 6 or 7 p.m. So till 6 or 7 the market seems to be busy with all the people who comes from different places to get their daily needs. Their bus stand is also there, so you will find lot of private taxis and uh, the bus operators. So it is, you can say it's a bazaar, it's a tehsil, it's a SDM headquarter place, and along with it, it is a transport center also. You will get mechanic, you will get a lot of things which you might be needing in the uh, hill station while you are traveling from one place to other. Uh, People are very helpful. I must say that we Uttarakhandi are still different than what the people are there in different other parts of the cities and kasbas. We are helpful people, we are simple people, we believe in God, and that's how our place is called divine and Devbhumi. So let's make it Devbhumi for the ages and for our generation to come. One thing I must mention here over this video is that nowadays in winters we have got lot of fruits, lot of seasonal fruits almost everywhere in the village. Every home has got their own uh, Malta trees, not one, but almost, I must say that every home has got three or four minimum. We have got six or seven. So God has gifted us such a beautiful things in terms of our fruits, in terms of our weather, in terms of our water and the climate. Here the AQI which we used to breathe in cities are almost in terms of a 300 or a 400. And here in Uttarakhand, the AQI in our village or in Pauri area, even in Pauri area where there is a lot of traffic, the AQI drops down to 50 or 60. So these kind of a difference is there between the Uttarakhand native villages and the nearby cities. So I request all of you who belong to Uttarakhand, please come, enjoy your Devbhumi, and let's celebrate our God gifts. It's not just the gift, but it is a responsibility to cherish it and to make it happen for our next generation to come, and at least once or twice in a year they should come, uh, feel the difference which they might not be getting in the uh, cities or in their daily routine. Enjoy it, develop it, so that instead of a spending thousands of rupees for a couple of days in different hill station, we come here, open our doors, and have a unparalleled experience which you might not get in any of the commercial hill station. So I'll be meeting you in next vlog. I'm doing this recording from my house rooftop, and you can see the beautiful sceneries and the nazara around. And I'm here for next 5-10 days more, and I'll be going back to Delhi say around in the last days of this month. Till then, bye, have a nice time and enjoy this video. Thank you.